Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare case coins for you all today. Let's start. 112th Anna 1939 Mumbai Mint 100 rupees. Rural Woman Kolkata Mint BU condition 200 rupees. Asian Games Kolkata 200 rupees UNC condition. Plant Family Kolkata UNC 200. 1965 Mumbai Mint 10 paise 100 rupees. Plant Family Mumbai UNC 200 rupees. Railways Bolu BU condition. This is a error coin. It's a ghost image coin. You can see the ghost image there. Here the Bolu's ghost image. Only for 400 rupees. Asian Games BU condition Mumbai Mint 200. 2003 Noida Mint UNC condition National Integration 100 rupees. 2001 Noida Mint UNC 100 rupees. 2002 Noida Mint UNC condition 300 rupees. 1965 Kolkata 25 paise only for 100. 1961 Kolkata for 100. World Food Day UNC Mumbai Mint 200. Rain-fed warming UNC Mumbai Mint 300 rupees. Subhash Chandra Bose Noida Mint UNC 300 rupees. 1997 Hyderabad Mint UNC condition. This is a lion scarce coin only for 300 rupees. Arabindo BU condition Mumbai Mint 300 rupees. Water for Life Kolkata Mint UNC condition 300 rupees. Clear lion. Rain-fed farming Kolkata Mint UNC condition 400 rupees. 1997 5 rupees Noida Mint for 100 rupees. This is in the sleeves, that's why this line is there. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Kolkata Mint UNC condition 200 rupees. 2007 Noida Mint BU condition cross coin 10 rupees 300 rupees. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU condition for 400 rupees. 1964 Kolkata Mint 100 rupees. Deshbandhu Noida Mint UNC condition 300 rupees. Tourism Year BU condition 400. Arabindo Kolkata Mint UNC condition only for 300 rupees. Youth Year AUNC condition Kolkata Mint very scarce coin only for 200. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee UNC condition Kolkata Mint ghost image coin. You can see the Shyama Prasad's face is there and shirt is there only for 400. Normal coin price, that is. Save for Development BU condition 600 rupees. Very scarce coin this is. Supreme Court Noida Mint AUNC condition only for 200 rupees. Supreme Court BU condition Mumbai Mint 300. Bolu Hyderabad Mint BU condition 500 rupees. can see proper mint mark also there. "50 years Independence Kolkata Mint." Very scarce coin, only for 400 rupees. UNC condition. "Food and Work for All Kolkata Mint." UNC condition. 300 rupees. "Food and Work for All Mumbai Mint." BU condition. 300 rupees. United Nation AUNC condition. Noida Mint. 400 rupees. United Nation UNC condition. Noida Mint. 400 rupees. AUNC condition. This is also. Food and Shelter for Food and Shelter for All Hyderabad Mint. UNC condition. 400 rupees. 1990 Hyderabad Mint Dabbo coin. UNC 600. FAO Noida Mint AUNC condition. 400 rupees. ILO Noida Mint AUNC condition. 300 rupees. 1984 Hyderabad Mint VU condition. 700 rupees. This is in the sleeves. Sant Tukaram BU condition Mumbai Mint. Very scarce coin, only for 300 rupees. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint UNC condition. 300. ILO Mumbai Mint UNC. Very scarce coin, only for 700 rupees. AUNC condition Mother's Health Hyderabad Mint. 600 rupees. This is a very scarce coin. 1996 Noida Mint AUNC condition. Scarce coin, only for 200 rupees. Quit India Movement UNC condition for 700 rupees. Ekam 21 Hyderabad Mint BU condition. I have two. 500 rupees each. 1975 Kolkata Mint. Rare coin, only for 400 rupees. ILO Noida Mint UNC condition. 700 rupees. Khadi Village BU condition Mumbai Mint single mint coin. Rare coin with mild rotation, only for 1700 rupees. Sant Tukaram Hyderabad Mint UNC condition. 400. United Nation UNC condition. 800 rupees. United Nation Mumbai Mint Fat Lion variety. 700 rupees. Railways Mumbai AUNC condition, sorry UNC condition. This is only for 200 rupees. Care for Girl Child UNC condition Mumbai Mint. 300. BU condition Dadabhai Naoroji Mumbai Mint. 400 rupees. Forestry for Development Hyderabad Mint UNC condition. 900 rupees with mild rotation. Jawaharlal Nehru Noida Mint AUNC condition. 2200 rupees with little rotation is there. AUNC condition. See the mint mark and the ring. 1990 Noida Mint and 1989 Noida Mint. This is a set for 500 rupees. See the set. I have two set. This is for 500 rupees set. Click the set like this and send me. 1983 Calcutta Mint and 89 Calcutta Mint scarce coin. Only for set for 300 rupees. Equality Development Mumbai Mint 10 paise. World Food Day Mumbai Mint 10 paise. This is a set for 400 rupees. This set is for 400 rupees. Both are Mumbai Mint. ICDS Mumbai Mint, small farmer Mumbai Mint, set for 400 rupees. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Noida Mint, AUNC condition for 200. Tamil Conference BU condition Noida Mint, very scarce coin, only for 600 rupees. 1976 Calcutta Mint, UNC condition 10 paise, scarce coin, 300 rupees each. I have 3. Save for Development UNC condition 5 paise, Calcutta Mint 400 rupees. Forestry for Development UNC condition Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin with rotation, only for 700 rupees. BUNC condition Quit India Movement Calcutta Mint for 800. This is a UNC condition here and this is a BU condition. UNC for 700 rupees, BUNC for 800 rupees. World Food Day Mumbai Mint BU condition 25 paise, 800 rupees. Parliamentary 1993 Mumbai Mint UNC condition only for 800 rupees. 1950 Mumbai Mint UNC condition. I'm trying to show you luster. You can see the luster and clarity. You can see lion, everything, legends, everything clear. This is a disc effect. Only for 1500 rupees. Small Family Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 900 rupees with the clear lion. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Hyderabad Mint BU condition, very scarce coin, 600 rupees. 1994 Noida Mint International Family of the Year. See the mint mark, clear big dot is there. AUNC condition, rare coin. See the lion. You can see this, and this is a plain edge. You can check the plain edge. Noida Mint comes with plain edge. Plain edge. Rare coin. To get with the mint mark is very rare, and also in this condition very rarely you get. 3500 rupees AUNC condition. Agri Expo, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, rare coin, 1400 rupees, BU condition. Hyderabad Mint, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, extra fine condition, only for 1000 rupees. Mint mark check. BUNC condition, ICDS, Hyderabad Mint, 800 rupees. Clear line, and there is no black line or a dot and all on this. Legends also clear. Most of the coin, these legends don't come only nicely, they all mild. See the legends, they all clear. And even here rupees and all printed, they don't come clearly. So everything is clear here, legends. Only 800 rupees. This is the sharp edge variety, Mumbai Mint, Aurobindo. See this. UNC condition, only for 500 rupees. See the edge, sharp. See the face clear. And head, mint mark. Sorry, this is a Calcutta Mint mark. Sorry, Calcutta Mint. I was thinking Mumbai. This is a Calcutta. Only for 500 rupees. Bolu Noida Mint. UNC condition, sharp edge variety. This is also for 500 rupees. Trying to show you a edge. See this edge, it's a sharp edge, 500 rupees. Mahatma Gandhi 50 paise, Mumbai Mint, 200 rupees, UNC condition. Nehru, Mumbai Mint, 200 rupees, English legend. Louis Bailey, Mumbai Mint, 100 rupees, UNC condition. Sant Dhaneshwar, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200 rupees. This is a very rare coin, overweight coin, and plus 96 Subhash Chandra Bose, Calcutta Mint. Rare coin, 3500 mintage. In that 3500 mintage, how many must have come overweight? And see the face and the specs, all clear. Head, everything is clear. Legends, fat border. This fat border is the main original condition, means original coin. And see the lion, full lion. Lion never gets printed. In this Ashoka Chakra also doesn't get printed. See here, Ashoka Chakra also is there. Lion is full. There is no like damage or dent, lamination error much. Overweight 6.60, actually 62 grams are there, but I'm made it round figure 60, 6.60. Very rare coin. See the date. I'll try to show you a clear date. Only for 18K. Very very rare coin. It's going to be more higher now in the future. And I have this 2 annas 1927 Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, for 500 rupees. 1919 Calcutta Mint, 2 annas single mint coin, case only for 700 rupees. Quarter rupee Kolkata Mint 1939, 30 lakh mintage, only 30 lakh mintage, only for 900 rupees. Now silver price also gone up. This is a pig variety 1911. See the pig here. Kolkata Mint only for 4,500 rupees. $1947 Lahore Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 1,500 rupees. UNC condition, very difficult to get in Lahore Mint. 2 annas 1925 Kolkata Mint. It's a rare coin. 2 anna, this rare coin, only for 600 rupees. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.